Hey guys, welcome back to The Business Startup. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money with social media. But before we begin with today's video, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also make sure to like this video, but let's jump right into the video. Number 1, promote affiliate products. No matter what industry you're in, you can find great products to promote on ClickBank. And if that does not quite jive with you, you can also become an Amazon associate, promote products of your choosing, and earn commissions on them. Amazon has no shortage of products. Next, instead of spamming links on Twitter and hoping for the best, keep in mind that the most honest and effective way of promoting affiliate products is through reviews. If you personally use a product and like it and know that your followers serve to benefit from it, then write a long form review on your blog and share why you like the product. Don't be afraid to talk about what you like and don't like about it. You can even use video if that's more your style. Also, make sure to disclose affiliate relationships. This is a legal requirement in most cases, but it's also best practice. Your readers or viewers will appreciate your honesty. Number 2, create and promote your own information products. If you already have a blog or you've demonstrated your expertise on a specific subject over a period of time, there may be an opportunity to create an ebook, audio program, or video course and sell it to your audience. Social media is the perfect place to promote such a product. Platforms like Gumroad, Selfie, and Amazon's KDP program make it easy for you to publish and sell your PDF, MP3, or video file at a price of your choosing, keeping in mind that all platforms do take a cut, even if it's small. As with anything, quality is key to creating something people not only want to read, but will pay to read. If you take extra care in creating great information, designing and promoting it well, you will definitely see more sales. Number 3, promote products and services. There are many opportunities for you to share sponsored posts that promote the products and services of other businesses. This is a very direct way of earning money from social media. But if you don't have a sizable following, this may not be much of an opportunity. You also have to be aware of over-promoting products for want of money, because if your followers see that you're constantly tweeting about one product or another, not only will they not click on the links, they will also unfollow you. It's important to mix things up. It's wise to take time to craft a proper social media posting schedule to make sure you're adding value to your followers while promoting products. Calls to action should definitely be a part of your social media strategy, but every post can't be a call to action. Number 4, use visual media to promote your crafts. If you tend to create handmade crafts, art pieces, or even articles of clothing and knitting, there may be an opportunity to showcase your products on social media. Instagram and Pinterest may seem like obvious places to hit, but Facebook, Twitter and Google Plus are also great channels for sharing visual media. If you have an Etsy account, you can direct your followers to check out your products there, and between the different channels, you have the potential to make a good living. Number 5, promote your coaching or consulting services. Social media is a great place to generate leads for your consulting business, whether you're a guitar teacher or a life coach. If you have demonstrated expertise in a specific area, you can create more interest for your services by connecting with your target customer on social media. Coaching sessions can be conducted over Skype, so this is definitely an opportunity to make money without leaving home. Consulting can be lucrative, so remember not to undercut yourself. Charge a fair price for your time and effort. This strategy can also work in unison with selling information products, as those who want your advice are more likely to be interested in the ebooks and courses you've created. Number 6, join the YouTube Partner Program. Building a popular YouTube channel can be a lot of work, but if you already have a following or you're determined to build your audience, joining the YouTube Partner Program to make money on advertising might be a path worth exploring. There are prominent YouTube content creators who have made substantial amounts of money with this program, but they are the exception rather than the rule. It would take a lot of time, strategy and sheer luck to make money on YouTube. However, this is a good thing to keep in mind with advertising in general. Unless you're already getting a lot of views and clicks, you're not going to make a lot of money on them. That is all we have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, then be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. We will see you guys next time. Take care. Until then, goodbye everyone.